Best gaming affiliate programs for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best gaming affiliate programs that I have found right now for you to start promoting to make money with gaming affiliates. So let's get into it. Now, you might be wondering what is affiliating, what is affiliate marketing? How will I really be making money? And is it going to be worth it? Well, if you're someone that is already into the gaming community, if you're someone that is already a avid gamer, then it is a great way to make some money, some side cash, some passive income by promoting these different kinds of gaming affiliates. In these affiliate programs, if you just sign up for these programs, you will be making some easy money on the side. So, there are many ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing. You can affiliate market a lot of different kinds of products and things like that. But for someone that is already interested in gaming, I would recommend constantly trying to actively look for affiliates. Go with affiliate marketing for these different gaming platforms that I'm going to show you, where you can easily become someone that is making money without having to put in any extra effort. And you can go into Reddit or any kind of forum like that to find more affiliates and to discuss on how to promote your affiliates. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the top affiliates that I have found. So starting off at number one, and these are in no particular order, we have Avant Link. So Event Link is a great kind of platform, and you can just click on these three bars over here. Click on Affiliate Marketing 101 to get a overview of their affiliate marketing section. You can take a look at their YouTube video that they have posted on how to get started, and all you have to do is you can ask like any kind of questions as well, and you can click on Apply Now on the top right over here to choose to become a publisher or affiliate. So you can create any kind of content like a blog to social media platforms as if you're an influencer. If you already have a website, then you can promote your brands or gaming links that you have over there as well. Or if you have any kind of presence, then you're going to any kind of social media presence. Like everyone has Reddit, Instagram, Twitter. So you can just promote their links over there. If you already have a gaming community, then it's going to be super easy for you to promote their links. And what you're just going to do is you're going to choose which network you want to be a part of. Let's go with the United States. And then you're going to be asked what kind of promotions you could be doing. So if you're going to be a traditional publisher or affiliate, which creates blogs or websites, or if you're a influencer that will primarily promote on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. So going the influencer route is currently actually more easier. And I would recommend to most people to go to the influencer route because you can easily garner a community around you on social media, especially if you're someone that is good at games or that already, is playing publicly on any of these social channels, then you will be able to, make more money as a influencer. But if you're someone that wants to stay low key, if you don't want to be in the limelight and you don't want to, you don't want any extra attention, then go down the traditional route and you can create blogs and articles and websites to promote the Avant Link gaming affiliate. So if you click on influencer, all you have to do, your first name, your last name, enter your email address, and then you're just going to add all of your social media handles. You're going to add your phone numbers and all that information, like your street address and all that. And then you're just going to add the city and whatever your accurate information is. And then you're just going to agree. You're going to click on sign up for Avant Link, social media platforms like that. And then we're just going to click on sign up, and then you're just going to add your Instagram links as well. So we're just going to open up Instagram, and then you can just open this up, go onto your profile, copy this, and then you can just paste it over here. So just like that, you can paste on your social media links, and then you're going to click on sign up for Avant, add your basic method of reviewing content or what kind of content you post on your social media sites. And then you're going to click on sign up, and just like that, your application will be sent. And in most situations, you will be approved within a week, so you don't have to worry about that. As long as you have filled out accurate information, then you will be approved. Although it does say that they accept less than 30% of publishers, if you have like a good enough social media presence, if you have like over 8,000 or 2,000 followers, and it is a public account with decent engagement, then you will be able to get approved for the Avant Link affiliate marketing program. Now, the next up site that I have is Fanatical. So, Fanatical is another great way to earn money. It is pretty much working on the same principle. You promote their games, their collections, their discounts. So, what you're just going to do is you can go onto the top sellers and take a look at their different affiliates that are available. And you can click on to sign in over here to begin purchasing games from them or to become a affiliate as well. Fanatical is a lot more easier to get started with because you don't have to wait for initial approvals, and you can take a look at the different payment methods as well, and you can just click on affiliate partners over here. And then you're just going to scroll down and you can take a look at the kind of process of affiliate marketing. You just have to sign up, grab links, promote, and get paid. And you can see the different reasons they have to join us. Now you can join using a website or blog or YouTube or Twitch, and you can see who are the companies that are already working with Fanatical, because you can easily see that, there are a lot of large companies working over here. So you have a lot of potential for a lot of profit, and that is something that is going to be very helpful for you, especially if you're someone that is looking to expand their influencer content or expand your presence as an influencer. So in this situation, you also have two choices: either join as a YouTube or Twitch creator or join as a website or blogger. So we're going to click on join us over here. And just like that, they have some information. You just have to give out your own personal information, and then you will be ready to start promoting their offers. It's simple, easy, and you don't have to wait. That is the best part about Fanatical. Plus, they have a lot of major companies working with them as well. Now, next up on our list, we have G2 Deal. So, G2 Deal is pretty much the same as Fanatical, and you can see this is one of those platforms that provides a lot of discounts on a lot of popular games. You can click on their affiliate program over here, and you can take a look at their affiliate program information. Their commission ranges from anywhere from 8% to 15%, while Fanatical has an initial 5% commission. So they do have a initial boost that you will get in the starting days, but Fanatical later on, has better offers, I have found. But G2 Deal is also still amazing and great. I do still recommend that you check it out, and you can take a look at their different reviews, their testimonials as well. They also have certain restrictions and not allowed items that they have mentioned, and any kind of, hate speech or any spam is not allowed. They have added some restrictions, but overall, if you're just doing the basic way of promoting content, then you'll be safe and you can easily start making some extra income. Now, next up on our list, we have Gamefly. So, Gamefly is another amazing platform which is for renting games and movies. And you can see there is a lot that you can do with Gamefly. And you're just going to scroll down on their basic homepage. You're going to click on affiliate program over here in the About Gamefly section. And this will lead you to the affiliate program. You're going to click on apply now. And you're going to apply for their affiliate program. And this is just a publisher sign up form. So just fill it out just as you would on any of these other platforms. You can see you have to add your language barrier, your language, and all that stuff. So we're going to add all of that information. It's a simple setup process. It's nothing difficult on any of these platforms. This, click on verify email. And then just like that, you will be sent an email. So you can just open up your Gmail account over here. And we're just going to verify our account like this. Create my CJ Publisher account, and without having to wait even for a second, we are now ready to go and complete our account. So we're just going to add all of these certifications. We're going to accept all of these. So you just have to open these up. And this is like a mandatory thing now. You have to open these up, move to the bottom, and once you have done that, then you can click on accept agreement. You can't really accept it otherwise because they want to make sure that you do read their software terms of service and all that information. And then we're just going to accept the agreement, click on continue to account. And just like that, you have your account created. So now you can decide you have available to start making money. And this is the best part about this platform, is that there is no downtime. You can get started right away and start making money with gaming affiliates. So you can see you have your basic dashboard, and then you can just click on advertisers and take a look at the different options that you have available. Now, next up on our list, which is the last platform that I will be talking about, is Twitch. Now, Twitch is the most popular, and that's why I saved it for last. I don't need to talk a lot about it. Twitch has a affiliate program. You can click on affiliate eligibility to see the overall eligibility requirements. And if you're a Twitch streamer, then you can easily just make some content and take a look at the eligibility. Once you meet it, you can apply for their affiliate program to start making money. And they have some of the most simple ways to get paid, and it's a very safe and secure way to earn money as an affiliate. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.